In today's world, beauty is often defined by trends. In some places, even celebrities begin to look alike, their features so similar. It's hard to tell one from another without the hairstyle. Like a factory line of perfection. But at Aivita Clinic, we believe high beauty doesn't come from replication. It comes from individuality. From restoring the unique balance, structure, and glow that was always yours. Your beauty was never meant to be mass-produced. It was meant to be revealed. At Aivita Clinic, we're not here to chase someone else's idea of beauty. We're here to help your beauty become visible again. Not enhanced, not replaced, but restored. For example, traditional approaches may freeze wrinkles with neurotoxins. But what if we could help the skin restore collagen, improve elasticity, and slow aging from within? With regenerative tools like exosomes, PRP, and growth factors, we don't just hide aging. We change the biology behind it. While fillers may add volume temporarily, regenerative treatments can stimulate your body to build its own tissue. Naturally, gradually, and in harmony with your facial structure. The result? A softer, more authentic appearance. Not a mask. You don't need to look like someone else to be beautiful. You just need to reconnect with the version of you that feels healthy, rested, and whole. And that's what regenerative medicine gives you. The science to heal, not hide. Your beauty should never be defined by others. Our mission is to reveal the beauty that's already within you. The peak of beauty isn't becoming someone else. It's becoming the healthiest, most youthful version of you. Let your skin, energy, and confidence shine again. Aivita Clinic, where your beauty begins again.